Stacy, thank you. Golden is bearing the brunt of this power outage. Some businesses downtown lost power right in the middle of the busy and festive holiday season.
Highway 93 closed right now north of Golden because of the winds. Crews also repairing power lines in that area right now. Denver 7's Maggie Bryan is live in Golden tonight. Maggie?
Hey, good evening. From those road closures to bent power lines, Highway 93 has really seen the worst of this windstorm today. We are noticing the winds have died down significantly since about 4:30. We were out here a few hours ago. You could barely stand out here. That's how strong these winds were. I want to show you behind me here. Crews are out here repairing some of these damaged power lines. Some of these poles were almost snapped in half earlier today. This is just south of West 56th Avenue here along Highway 93 in Golden. We want to show you some video of what those power lines looked like earlier in the day. You can see that splintered wood there, and this is really what Xcel Energy was worried about. Thankfully, this is in the outage zone, so those power lines were not on. They still are not on. And we've also been tracking the road closure just up north on Highway 93, starting at West 58th Avenue. CDOT tells me this is standard practice when winds reach higher than 60 miles per hour. Crews say they're worried about cars rolling over or being pushed into other lanes by the wind. And we also checked in with people in Golden, some who lost power. Most of them tell me, though, they would rather play it safe with the risk of high fire danger.
You take this sort of stuff for granted that it's not going to happen here. And nowadays, you can't take that for granted anymore.
As long as we have running water, that tends to be a bigger concern. But, we have food in the house, we have camp stoves.
And as far as when people could see their power turn back on, I reached out to Xcel Energy to get some of those answers. The company says that all depends on how fast crews can get out to these areas that saw strong winds to repair some of those power lines and fix any damage. Workers will have to visually inspect hundreds of miles of power lines, but they can only do that when the winds have died down. We'll keep you updated on that. Live in Golden, I'm Maggie Bryan, Denver 7.
All right, quite a mess behind you there, Maggie. Thank you for that. And because of all this, several school districts canceled class or had partial school days.
Adria Irahita is live in Boulder, breaking down how school districts make these decisions. Adria, most of the Boulder Valley School District actually stayed open today.
Yeah, all but one school were open today, and that's because the district says most of the schools were outside of the preemptive power outage coverage map. But up until last night, they were ready for a district-wide closure today. Here's a list of school districts that were impacted today, including Clear Creek County, Weld RE4, and Jeffco schools. Now, this isn't something that districts take lightly, especially with finals this week. But each district works with city and county leaders and the Office of Emergency Management, all deciding the best course of action in the interest of safety. Now, I spoke with Boulder Valley School District about those plans today. Now, this is the first time they've had to do this for a public safety power outage, though. They liken it to planning it for a snow day.
I do think that it's important for our families to really know that this will be a possibility moving forward, both in terms of the fact that we are having more high wind events, but also the fact that in order to protect, our lives and homes, that Xcel Energy is looking at these type of outages. And so, yeah, we've got to be prepared for that.
District spokesperson Randy Barber tells me it's a good thing that the district has these plans in place because it's very likely that they're going to have to revisit those plans again on Friday. Reporting live in Boulder, Adria Arajita, Denver 7.